Now, before leaving this intro section, let me give you 8 quick considerations on how to actually take this course. And I promise they are super short and super important. So please don't skip this video, as it will set you up for success with this course. First of all, there are many different types of students in this course. Some have never written a line of React code in their life, while others want to get better or more advanced at React. This course is for all of you. Everyone is welcome. So please don't write a bad review immediately if the course is too easy or too hard or progressing too slow or too fast for you, because I built this course with everyone in mind. Now, to make it perfect for you, you can always rewatch lectures, jump to other sections, watch the course with slower or faster playback speed, or ask questions in the Q&A section. Of course, you can give a 1-star review if the course is absolutely terrible, but please at least wait for a couple of sections to get a good idea of the course. And then you will actually find that it's not terrible. Also, you don't need to watch the entire course in order to learn React. There are many parts of the course, especially in the big projects, where we will just practice what we already learned before, but just in another context. Now, this practice is excellent for you, and the more videos you watch, the better you will become. But if you are short on time, you can just skip many sections or parts of sections, which will allow you to cut the course length at least in half. Now, about actually taking the course, as you should already know, you always need to code along with me. You will learn exactly 0 React skills by just sitting and watching me code. You have to actually write the code yourself, even if it's just typing the exact same code as in the video. It really doesn't matter, because as long as you're coding, the code is somehow getting into your brain and you're learning. Now, in the first few sections of the course, don't worry about why or how things work in React or about some React best practices. That's all super important, but in the first few sections, while still learning the fundamentals, we just want to make things work. We will worry about everything else as we keep going through the course. If you have some problem with your code or just a regular question, start by trying to solve or to answer it yourself. This is absolutely essential for your progress and an essential skill as a developer. If you can't solve the problem, start by checking the Q&A section, because probably someone already had the same problem before. Now, if that doesn't help, you can ask a new question. Just use a short description, post your code on codesandbox.io that we used in the previous video, and then share the link in the Q&A. Now, many sections in the course build on one another, and so before moving on from a section, make sure that you understand exactly what was covered. So don't just try to finish the course as fast as possible. Instead, take a break, review the code that we wrote, review the notes that you hopefully have been taking, review the projects that we built, and maybe even write some code on your own to practice. Only then you're ready to move on. Now, I recorded this course on a Mac, but everything is going to work the exact same way on Windows or on Linux. So if something doesn't work on your computer, that's not because you're using a different operating system. So there must be some other issue. And now, finally, and most importantly, have fun. So diving into the world of React is so much fun, And it's gonna be so rewarding to see an application come to life that you have built yourself. So if you're feeling frustrated for some reason, stop whatever you're doing and just come back later. Always have fun while coding. And with that being said, let's now actually get started.